Accessing your Tracfone voicemail is straightforward. To listen to messages, dial *86 from your Tracfone. If it's your first time, follow the prompts to set up your voicemail, which includes recording a greeting and creating a PIN. This PIN is crucial for secure access. If you've already set it up, dial *86 and when prompted, enter your PIN. Follow the voice prompts to listen to, replay by pressing 1, delete by pressing 7, or save by pressing 9 your messages. Note that checking voicemail uses airtime minutes. Alternatively, use the Tracfone My Account app for visual voicemail, offering transcribed messages and audio playback without dialing. If you forget your voicemail PIN, you have several reset options. Dial 86 and select the PIN reset option, usually option 4, and follow the prompts, such as entering the last 4 digits of your phone number. Or reset via the My Account app under voicemail settings, confirming via SMS two-factor authentication. If those options don't work, contact Tracfone customer support at 1-800-867-7183 for a manual reset after account verification. Looking ahead, voicemail is evolving. Tracfone's My Account app is seeing increased usage for voicemail access, and the industry is shifting towards visual voicemail and potential AI integration for features like advanced transcription. The traditional method of dialing 86 may decline as app-based access becomes more prevalent.